Life rarely follows a straight path. A maze is a very literal representation of life, which isn't linear or determined. There are many entry points and hidden possibilities.
成個裝置係好有趣嘅一個體驗嚟，因為人生裏邊有唔同嘅階段啦，你會遇到一啲挫折，有一啲絕處逢生嘅通道俾你去行落去啦。
當我走到一個迷宮的終點，突然發現我的周圍被封閉了，是有一種失望的一點點感覺。但突然間有一扇門打開了，然後我覺得又看到了希望。
I thought it was a very therapeutic, reflective journey. It kind of forced you to be a little bit more reflective and pay attention to what was around because the walls were moving at different times.